Here, all of us have visited or heard about it. It's very surprising. We have on Mahavir Jayanti, there is a national holiday and many other functions which should be. This is an international Rath Yatra where over the period of 7-8 days, lakhs and lakhs of devotees go. It's a spiritual movement of India. And this happens not once in 100 years, every year. And the Rath Yatra is not only in Puri Jagannath, but everywhere in this country, right from Delhi to Ahmedabad, to London, West Bengal, Los Angeles, Paris. Don't we think we all should, all of you should agree with me that that should become a national holiday the day the Rath Yatra starts? And by the name of Lord Jagannath, Modi 3 is sitting in Delhi. I request through you, the Honorable Chair, that this being such a sensitive issue, not only for Odisha and Bengal, but for the whole world, and he's called the Lord of the world, Lord Jagannath. The word Jagannath comes from the Rath Yatra. In the late 1800th century, when a British officer recorded the Rath Yatra, he had mentioned this is a real Jagannath. So therefore, in the interest of the whole nation, let Puri Rath Yatra be declared a national holiday. Thank you, sir.